good old brown juice. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karena. Today's Thanksgiving and we're making rum punches and Henny Coladas, and I'm making like a big picture and I'm gonna put into these cute little glass bottles. I already started squeezing the limes because I like to use fresh lime juices for my rum punch. So I bought about 20 limes and I already started juicing some of them, so I'm gonna finish juice them and I'll be back.
One piece of something, she pulled me shirt and then she got my button. I remember with something little something. Now she get tired last night. But glad there's something happen. Me drink a magnum, swing it like a man. I remember with something little something. This is how everything happen. Y'all see no for me. Take your time, ride it smooth. So in her like tree root. So in her shake, nor move. You don't want me. Take your time, ride it smooth.
Okay guys, so we finished juicing our limes. We came up to about I guess each lime is about 1 ounce because we had about 18 limes, and this is between the 20 and the 16, and this is the amount. And we're using Wray Nephew for our liquor. It's a Jamaican rum punch, guys. You need to use Wray Nephew. I don't suggest using any other white rum. Use Wray Nephew. And then our coconut rum, we're using Malibu. I prefer to use this other coconut rum that I couldn't find. It's like in a blue bottle. I think it's called Cruise something, but this coconut rum is fine. You need your dark rum. I'm using Captain Morgan. I had dark rum about up to here, and then I had a little bit of coconut rum, so I filled up about this much. Let me tell you guys the ratio of a rum punch. Now I'm making a big portion because I'm gonna divide it into bottles, but if you just want to make it for yourself like a single glass, here's the ratio. So you're gonna have 1 part sour, which is your lime juice. You're gonna have 2 parts sweet. You don't always have to have 2 parts sweet. That would be like your grenadine. Honestly, I would say mix all the other things first and then just, you know, taste the test. That's your sweet, the grenadine. And then you're gonna have 3 parts strong. So your strong would be your rums. And then you do 4-part juice. Your juice, I'm using passion fruit, guava, pineapple juice, and mango. We're making a rum punch. It's tropical. Use tropical juices. So let's get started, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make this. So I put all my ingredients in right now. We're gonna taste this. I feel like it's perfect, but I'm gonna just add a little more sweet because It's not sour, but I just want to add a little more sweet to balance it. So this is 1 cup total. I'm gonna take some mango just to swing it around. So I'm gonna pour these in my glass bottles, but this is the part where you would add your pineapple chunks, pineapple slices, get a nice fresh orange, slice it up. I really like to marinate the fruits in there. It just gives it even more flavor. Yeah, I think it's perfect. So we're at the second part of the video. Right now we're gonna make the Henny Coladas, and what you need is your Hennessy. You can even use Dussé if you have Dussé at home. I would prefer Dussé, but for more cost-effective purposes, I'm using Hennessy. Pineapple juice, Coco Lopez, and ice, your blender. We're gonna use some pineapple frozen chunks. First things first, we're gonna put 2 cups of ice. Gonna attempt to put 2 cups of frozen pineapple. Coco Lopez. For the star of the show, our Hennessy. I'm gonna put a cup. I'm gonna mix it on smoothie. How about these cute little, really supposed to be for smoothies, but you can use it for whatever. I don't know why they have frozen. Like it should come clear with nothing on it. But yeah, I'm gonna put it in here. Let's just taste it. So we're just gonna add a little bit more of the Coco Lopez, a little less than 2 ounces. This thing is very sweet, so use it in moderation. Right now I feel like it tastes good, but it's more on the pineapple side, which I don't mind because I'm a fan of pineapple. But it's a Henny Colada. Like it gotta taste like a pina colada with Hennessy. Now I'm gonna start packaging my Henny Coladas. I'm gonna drain out the sauce, only use the pineapple slice. Okay, now that everything is complete, there is one thing that I did forget. I'm gonna add some bitters in here. Now bitters, you don't have to use it, but it just gives your rum punch a kick. I already prepped the glasses. I put some caramel in the Henny Colada glass. I garnished the rum punch glass with the orange. Our rum punch. Okay guys, enjoy. Tastes so good. I decided to try the Henny Colada first because I always make rum punch. This is good. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't forget to ring that bell so you can get post notifications every time I upload. And leave me some comments on any other type of videos you guys want me to make. Let me know. Make sure you go try the recipe. Let me know how it came out. And see you next time. Happy Thanksgiving!